Hi, I'm Earl Lewis, Assistant Director here at Gum Springs Community Center, and I want to introduce you to a game called Pickleball. It's played with a paddle and a wiffle ball. And to help me a little with this is my colleague, Israel.
Hello everyone, my name is Israel. I'm the Assistant Director here at Gum Springs Community Center, and I'm brand new to Pickleball. So, Mr. Earl, can you please tell us what in the world is Pickleball?
Okay, Pickleball is one of the fastest growing games in the country. It's actually going to probably be in the Olympics. And it's played on a smaller court. The court is 44 feet by 20 feet with a 7-foot called the no volley zone. And then you start off serving underhand. It's pretty much a game that combines table tennis, badminton, and tennis. The court is similar to a tennis court, except it's smaller. The serve is underhand, and we're going to give you a demonstration at this point.
Hey, Mr. Earl, can you please tell us how to play Pickleball, the basic rules, and what do we need to play Pickleball?
Okay. What you need is, like I said, the paddle, the ball, and an opponent. The basic rules are you serve underhand. It's very similar to table tennis, badminton, and tennis. The court is similar to a tennis court except it's smaller. And I'm going to show you how the service starts. Okay, so the service underhand, the serve must go under your waist, and he must wait for the ball to bounce one time before he returns it. And I'm going to demonstrate. And I return it. Oh, back. I'm supposed to return it back. When you're playing, and after the serve, he must let it bounce once. Once it comes back to me, I must let it bounce once. After that, if the players want to come up to this line, this is called the kitchen, or the no volley zone. And what you want to do is, if it bounces in the no volley zone, you can go in there and get it. If it doesn't bounce in there and he hits it to me, and I hit it like this, and my momentum carries me into the no volley zone, then that'll be their point. It'll be a plus point. The game ends at 11. Serve, you only score when you serve, like ping pong, and it's 1 point at a time.
Okay, now what happens with that? I hit it in the net, therefore.
I hit it in the net, so I lose my serve, and if we're playing, you can play singles or you can play doubles. Most of the time we play doubles. It's more fun that way. So I get another turn. If it hits the net, it's almost like that. So I'm gonna try it again. There you go. So I would get a point on my serve. Then I would go to the other side. Be 1-0-1 because I'm the first server. If it was 2 people, it'd be the second server would be second serve.
This game is for all ages. Mr. Earl is twice my age, and he's a lot better than I am.
And more handsome. The real one now. So that's a net. Just like in tennis, if it hits the net, you get a second chance. If it hits the net and goes past the no volley zone.
Who put that wall there, bro? Who put that wall there?
How do you make it? All right, thank you, Mr. Earl.
You are.
It was the best workout I had in weeks.
We're gonna do this again. We're gonna teach it to the youngsters.
That's right. And like I said earlier, this game is for everyone. Anyone as young as 6 years old and as old as 80.
80, yeah.
Thank you for your attention.